1 2 1 2. Check one, check one. Isn't this a lot of fun? GSM and G, GSM and E, GSM and E. Give me some money. What?
Can you hear something louder?
I seem to be able to hear myself all right.
That's great.
We've got the new album. It's black. Well, the question is, how much more black can it be? And the answer is none. None more black.
Final time!
This goes to 11.
Can you check your microphone again?
Check 1 2. Hello? Check 1 2.
Oh yeah.
Hello? Is this mic on? Hello? Check 1 2.
Is this thing on? Is this
Check.
thing on?
Check 1 2.
Can you just sing it? Yeah.
Why doesn't anybody love me? Oh, was it something that I said or did? I really tried till my mother up and died, and that affected everything I did. You said my touch was clammy, so I lost it. I went and got this bloody robot hand. You said my breath was smelly, so I blocked it. Now I have the loudest breathing in the land. I have 2 children and they never see me. They live on separate planets, so I hear. If only they would understand, I need them to realize my dream of spreading fear. Now I've murdered all the younglings in the temple, and I've brought the Jedi Order to its knees. Now I'm never going back, and I'm always wearing black with more leather than a dominatrix needs. If only they could see I'm a good person, they'd see how sweet and gentle that I am. But nobody loves me, and they're always running from me. So I guess I'll have to blow up Alderaan. Alright, excuse me, except that she's sitting right in front of my camera.
Oh, sorry. Everybody alright? Everybody need a drink?
Alright, so, okay, thank you all you cats and kids. Captain Zork here. We are the Death Star Repairmen. In case you don't know what that is, we're going to sing you the fight song of Local 1138 right now. We built the Death Star, we built this station, from the exhaust port to the giant laser, oh, from the ducking bay to the garbage mashers. Oh, this thing was built for you by me. The rebel princess, she was escaping, the rebels running, stormtroopers chasing. Could somebody shut down all garbage mashers, and that had to be fixed for you by me. We built the Death Star, we built this station, from the exhaust port to the giant laser, oh, from the ducking bay to the garbage mashers. Oh, this thing was built for you by me. To the star, the TIE fighters flying, and the X-Wings diving, and the Sith Lords stalking, and the Grand Moff plotting. We might have installed tighter defensive screens, but that was not paid for you to me. We built the Death Star, we built this station, from the exhaust port to the giant laser, oh, from the ducking bay to the garbage mashers. Oh, this thing was built for you by me. Here we go. To build our new Death Star, scheduled for completion by next Thursday, but they did not approve any of my overtime, so completion is not guaranteed. We built the Death Star, we built this station, from the exhaust port to the giant laser, oh, from the ducking bay to the garbage mashers. Oh, this thing thing was built for you by me. Everybody sing along. We built the Death Star. Death Star. We built the station. Station. From the exhaust port to the giant laser. From the docking bay to the garbage mashers. Oh, this thing was built for you by me. Thank you. All right. There you go. Now let me tell you, things are not always, fun and games in the Death Star. Even down there in the Death Star cantina, well, I promise, we're gonna fix the tray dryer really, really soon so you won't have wet trays, I promise. But when you get to the end of the line and the choice is cake or death, I recommend the cake. But anyway, when you're sitting there, you get to learn about the people who work on the Death Star, and you get to learn their stories, their trials, their tribulations, and you know what? You get to write songs about them. And really, are there no Eddie Izzard fans in this room? Anyway.
Yeah. Woo.
The natives are restless, the rebels are scum. When a Sith Lord comes knocking, I'm under the gun. You can't see my face, and the number's my name. They think that we're all clones, and now that's really quite a shame. 'Cause I'm a stormtrooper, turning the galaxy. There's really flesh and blood into this armor, just you and see. Finally get furloughed after 23 years. They figure go somewhere that there ain't no tears. Book passage for Alderaan, but I missed the boat. The Empire blew it up, but now that's really got my goat. 'Cause I'm a stormtrooper serving the Empire. And unlike the Death Star, I don't want to set your world on fire. Ran into a Jedi with droids in his car. I said, hey there, buddy, you ain't going too far. He said, these ain't the droids you're looking for. Just move along. And now I'm unemployed and just to sing in this song. I was a stormtrooper serving the Empire, not me. And I'm feeling sad and lonely. Oh man, that is work. In a galaxy far, far away. Woo. Oh, thank you very much. All right, now it's a lot of lonely work out there on the universe's largest space station, and so you get a little lonely sometimes, and you want a little companionship. Now I found out they got this these like Imperial databases, you can go to on your computer there, and you can to try to find someone to spend time with, and you enter in your name, size, height, weight, and so forth. And I'm going through what you're interested in, and I'm looking in the responses, and I see one that says, "I want you to shave me," and I'm like, all right, different strokes, different folks. What the heck, get her done, right? And then I check height, 8 feet tall. Well, maybe she's worth the climb. All right, so we make the appointment, I get the date, but what I did not check was home planet. Kashyyyk. Yeah, that's right. So the home planet of the Wookiees, for those of you who don't get the reference. So I was there in the tub, shaving her back, and we're not talking about one of them little Gillettes with like 2 or 3 blades. We're talking about the kind of razor you got to operate with all 4 wheels on the ground. Oh, Lord, that ain't right, Force. I apologize. But there's some other kinds of women out there in the universe. Haven't found any of them on the Imperial Dayton base yet, but one day I know I'm gonna. I hope. Force willing. Well, come on, Lady Jedi, let's get with the Force tonight. Put your lightsaber on and do your robes upright. Well, I got a blaster in my holster and the force of the world. And I just gassed up my little land speeder. Come on, Lady Jedi. Come on, Lady Jedi. I'll take you to Mos Eisley to a cantina I know, where the aliens are friendly and the Tranya's always cold. Well, I got a rocket in a pocket and I'm ready to fly. So find some desert music in the tattooed sky. Come on, Lady Jedi. Come on, Lady Jedi. Here we go. And the twin suns are almost down, and if you look through the sands you can see the lights of town. And then if the stormtroopers don't get out of my way, I'm gonna have to blow the Death Star away. Come on, Lady Jedi. Come on, Lady Jedi. Oh, let's go. To a cantina I know, where the aliens are friendly and the Tranya's always cold. Well, I got a rocket in my pocket and I'm ready to fly. So find some desert music in the tattooed sky. Come on, Lady Jedi. Come on, Lady Jedi. Come on, Lady Jedi. All right. Now this next one I want y'all to join me in with a little bit. This is sort of an a cappella number, an a cappella and percussion. So keep on sorry about that. All right. So first I need y'all just to give me a beat here, okay? Just give me a beat here. Just a little faster there. Okay, now I need you to give me the bass line. Boom bada 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 boom. Flying, flying, flying. Keep those X-wings flying, 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 flying. Red 5 down to the Death Star. We don't have to go far. Glad that old Ben is in my mind. With Biggs, Wedge, and Porkins, we're flying in our X-Wings. Rogue Squadron's gonna fight and die. Red 1, Red 2, Red 3, Red 4, Red 6, Red 7, Red 5. Fly 'em in, shoot 'em up, shoot 'em down, blow 'em up, blow 'em out. Fly 'em out, Red 5. Key change. Boom, bada, 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 boom. Flying, flying, flying. Low TIE fighters are diving. Keep those X-Wings flying. Red 5. Though you have lost R2, there's still the Force to turn to. Rogue Squadron's gonna fight and die. Just like hitting Womp Rats with the laser ball bat. Now let's go blow the Death Star from the sky. Flying, 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 Red 5! Red 5! Okay. Should have brought some Tranya up here. I'm feeling parched. All right, so let's take this back. Now, there is, however, one profession of which the practitioners of are even more degraded and derided and disregarded than the stormtroopers. And so I just felt I had to write a song about them, based on a true story that one of them actually told me. Well, now I've been on Tatooine for all of my life. I've been nerf hurting most of that time. Well, I've been hurting those nerves every night and day, and I ain't earned 1 10 dime. Well, I spend all my money in a classic cantina where they don't allow the droids to drink. But since I never ever seen a belligerent droid, it kind of makes stop and think. Well, now then, one day that crazy old hermit went and cut off somebody's arm. There was a whole lot of fuss in the docking bay, and someone went and rang the alarm. The next thing you know, the Death Star with the Louie and the Empire got a shot. All I really know is that I hate nerve hurting and I gotta get off of this rock. All right. Then Bestman gas has got more expensive and the Huts seem to leave me alone. There's a moisture farm going up for auction and the wife, she never leaves home. She says she should have married the boy next door who would have taken her far away. But instead she married a scruffy nerve herder and it looks like I'm here to stay. Oh well, now parsecs away, the Empire's going down and the local boys making good. Well, I never had the chance to cut my gun, but I think now that maybe I should. Maybe I should get some droids from the Java, some speeder from my Bentha, and all I really know is that I hate nerve hurting and I gotta get off of this rock. I said I gotta get off of this rock. I said I gotta get off of this rock. All right, how we doing on time there? How many more songs we got? How we doing on time? How many more songs you want? Hey, Mimsy, where's Mimsy? Well, hell with it, I'm just going to do this one. A 1, 2, 3. And thankfully, what's her name, Madonna never did this for the Super Bowl. A long time ago, in a galaxy far away, Naboo was under an attack. And I thought that me and Qui-Gon Jinn could talk the Federation into maybe giving them a little slack. But their response, it didn't thrill us. They locked the doors and tried to kill us. But we escaped from that gas, then met Jar Jar and Boss Nass. We took a bongo to the scene and went to Theed to see the Queen. They all wound up on Tatooine, that's where we found that boy. And we were singing, my, this here Anakin guy. Maybe Vader someday later, now he's just a small fry. He left his home and kissed his mama goodbye, saying, soon I'll be a Jedi. Soon I'm gonna be a Jedi. Feel free to join in on the chorus if you know this one. Oh geez, don't tell me I forgot the second and third and fourth verse already. You know what, I probably did. Well, when we got the chorus, got the Jedi Council, we knew it won to see how good the boy could be. Well, we took him there and we told the tale of how many Quarians were off the scale, and he just might fulfill that prophecy. Well, the Jedi were impressed, of course. Could he bring balance to the Force? They interviewed the kid, oh, but the trainer they forbid. So Qui-Gon said, now listen here and stick it in your pointy ear. I still will train this boy. And we were singing, my, this here Anakin guy. Maybe Vader someday later, now he's just a small fry. He left his home, kissed his mama goodbye, saying, soon I'm gonna be a Jedi. Soon I'm gonna be a Jedi. Well, we finally got back to Babu. But Amidala wanted to, though frankly I'd have rather stayed. And we all fought in that epic war, and it wasn't very long before the little hotshot flew his plane and saved the day. I'll try spinning, that's a good trick. But in the end, some Gungans died. Some planes blew up and some pilots fried. A lot of folks were croaking. The battle droids were broken. And the Jedi I admired most met up with Darth Maul and now he's toast. Well, I'm still here and he's a ghost. Really, I'm talking about the death of my mentor, man. Oh well. Still, we'll train this boy. And we were singing, my, this ironic guy. Maybe later, someday later, no, he's just a small guy. He left his home and kissed his mama goodbye, singing, soon I'm gonna be a Jedi. Soon I'm gonna be a Jedi. Everybody sing along. My, this here Anakin guy. Maybe Vader someday later, now he's just a small fry. He left his home and kissed his mommy goodbye, saying soon I'm gonna be a Jedi. One more, we can do one more. All right. All right, down for good. Down for good. Okay, now, since of course I lost my first place of employment, the Death Star, and my second place of employment, the second Death Star, I just decided to come to this galaxy far, far away and into the far-flung future, and I'm kind of digging it here. So we're going to play a song about what I did to get here. 4, 3, 2 stops to go. Never seen a train that moves so slow. My heart's beating like a metronome, and my shoes are shining like a brand new chrome. Well, I called her up, and sure felt good. I knew right away that I was understood. She said, come on down to my neighborhood. So I'm bound for Brooklyn like it's Hollywood, and I'm bound for Brooklyn, yes I am bound for Brooklyn, 'cause I got somebody waiting on me tonight. Here we go. Well, it's an L Express, so won't you please stand clear of the closing doors, or we'll be waiting here. Conductor's voice is ringing loud and clear, but bound for Brooklyn is all I hear, and I'm bound for Brooklyn, yes I am bound for Brooklyn, 'cause I got somebody waiting on me tonight. Here we go. Couple sitting hand in hand, headed off together to Dodger's Land, serenaded by the music of a subway band. You know we're bound for Brooklyn on a one-night stand, and I'm bound for Brooklyn, yes I am bound for Brooklyn, 'cause I got somebody waiting on me tonight. All right, one more time. L's got track work late at night, so when you get on, you're in for a ride. Grab that strap and hang on real tight, because I'm bound for Brooklyn on a, what day is today?
Monday?
What day is today?
Thursday.
What?
Oh, it's Nipsey's birthday.
What day is today?
Nipsey's birthday. Birthday, wow.
Because I'm bound for Brooklyn on Mimsy's birthday night. Because I'm bound for Brooklyn, yes I am bound for Brooklyn. Because I got somebody waiting on me tonight. Here we go.
All-Star Repairmen. Yeah.
Thank you, Mos Eisley. Good night. This is Dr. Bronco Von Johnson on the wash tub base. That's washboard Leo on the washboard, etc. I'm Captain Zorik, Z-O-R-I-K-H, the only Zorik in English spelled that way on social media, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Pony Express. And if anybody wants to see some full contact medieval armored combat in Central Park tomorrow, come to the southwest corner of the Metropolitan Museum of Art between 2 and 4 p.m. I'll be the announcer, ringleader, and referee for Gladiators NYC. Love you all. Captain Zorik's coming at you.
Yeah. All right, give it up one more time. Yeah, up next we have Cat Cupid and the Cowboy. Thanks for hanging out. We got a great lineup of people celebrating this beautiful day. Thank you so much.
Stay there, all right, Mimsy's night. That's who's night.
Ready for this, everybody?
All right, everybody. Let's make Mimsy the star right now. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mimsy. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, let me go.
All right, now that's done.
Excuse me, pardon me. Okay, sorry. All right, hey, cats and kids, Captain Zorik here. Let's get some nice wait and see my feet. Oh, thank you very much. There you go.